Hey guys, guy with the camera here. I want to start off by saying I'm not doing those rant videos anymore because I recorded them and reviewed them and they are not good at all. So I just decided not to upload them, and sorry if it's really windy out today, because it's really windy out today, so sound might be very bad. It's got to be like 20-30 mile per hour wind. It's supposed to hit up to 29, like it has gusts up to 39. I mean, not, I'm at 29. Holy crap, that was close. I found a new parking lot way the frick down there. It's pretty nice to go hit. That was a good jump. This is gonna be I think it's gonna be a short video, I don't know yet. Pretty quickly I'm gonna stream live on Instagram for some reason, I don't know why, just because. The wind may be really bad, like, quality of the video, so just stick with me here. Well, that worked out well. I got my new fan in it. It's a Castle fan. It still vibrates, but that's just because it's rubbing on the body. Took my risers out too, so it's better. If I had the risers in, it would have never even fit on it, so. Actually, it's really busy. I'm just gonna end this here. Alright, see you guys.